Hello, welcome back to the channel, and you have seen it in a couple of seconds ago. I 3D printed something. It's a stand for my TRX-4. I did an unboxing a couple of days ago, weeks, I don't know. It's I'm going to put a link here, and so without further ado, we're going to put it together. And then my wheels are off the ground, my foam isn't going to be deformed and everything, so that's what I want. Let's get to it. Yeah, you saw it. There were packages coming, so we're going to open them first because where's my knife? Yeah, I'm a little anxious. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is for my TRX-4. See? I don't know if I'm going to use them both, but we'll see. Yeah, there's still something else in there. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, those were lights. I ordered lights. Maybe I'm going to put them on, maybe not. If I'm going to put them on, I'll make a video of it. They do look sweet. You can put them in there, yeah. We'll see afterwards. This one is heavy. Heavy is good. Not always. But I think I'm going to like this one. Oh, brass and skid plates. Brass and skid plates. Look at this. Nice. I have ordered more brass, but I'm not going to put it. I'm going to put it all in one video or something. Or I think I'm going to put it all in one video. So that's for afterwards. Skid plates look good. So now, TRX stand. So here are the pieces. I printed them in the PLA, and it's the kind, if you hold it very long, it changes color. So I only had that one lying around, so that's what I use for it. See, it changes colors. It goes from gray to white. Got it. Nice. The only support you don't need support. Only support for this one, a little bit over here on the tabs, and you only need support for the holes here. The holes, very easy. You can, when there are support, and my printer, you can push them through. See how it changes? I think it has a nice catch to it.
20 minutes later.
Now we're going to put it together. He wrote in the description to put M3, but not about 16 long in there. I found M3 on 12, so we're gonna rub that in there. What you're gonna do, you can also take a tab, or I don't know how you to make thread get in there, but normally if things go well, I hope they fit well here, because I haven't tried that one yet. It's a little bit close, so I'm going to do this off camera so that they're fit, and then I'm going to come back. Okay.
2 hours later.
So I had to put the Dremel on there and then put some away, put some material off there, because it was quite firm. So everything fits now, I hope. Otherwise I didn't check it very well. So you can see where you touch it, it changes color. I like it. See where it's getting hot? It's just a minor stand, but it does the trick. So here it is. This is a stand that only fits in one direction. I'm gonna put my TRX. Damn it. A lot of dirt. It's going to fit like this. See? Why is that? It's like that. And that's what I told you, that I have to widen the holes a bit, because it's not coming out like it's supposed to be. But you know what I mean. I'm just gonna put it on there so you can see how it sits. See, the wheels are off the bottom of the ground. Springs are on it, on the load, not on the load, unloaded. So it's good. I like it. Thanks RC Guy 2019. It was, I think. Yeah, RC Guy 2019. Thank you very much for making the stand. He says it's also a work in progress, so that's why maybe the holes don't line up very well, and you have to Dremel some away from the tabs over there, but it's all good. I like it a lot. Thanks a lot, RC Guy 2019 again. Links in the description. See you later. Like and subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, no problem. Thumbs up, thumbs down, doesn't matter. I hope you enjoyed it. If you don't, let me know, then I'll change something. Thanks. Bye.